Good day, everyone. Today I will be working on this Echo weed eater. It's a SRM 225. I will be changing out the carburetor. I have a carburetor here with 2 replacement gaskets, extra fuel filter. I have an air filter. Comes with 2 extra primer bulbs and the grommet set with the, there's actually 2 fuel filters and the third one that's connected to the grommet set. And I got this part from FSSPRT Superstore off of from eBay. And let's go ahead and change out this carburetor. The problem I was having with this weed eater is that when I run it, it was bogging down. I've cleaned the muffler and all that other goody jazzy stuff, but it's still bogging down. I'm thinking it may be the fuel pump inside of the carburetor. There's a little thing up in there somewhere, someone was telling me or something, but either way, they say it'll just be cheaper just buying another carburetor. So let's get this thing started. I have my cool dude little tool here. I want to take off this cover. From there, use my cool dude tool. Loosen those screws. So I'm gonna loosen these, pull this out. And that out. There's the old carburetor. See, I have a little screwdriver. I just need a small little pair of needle nose pliers, so I don't, doing that. You know what? Let's loosen that a little bit like that. All right. Let's just take this off. Pause button is always good at a moment like this. All right. So, that a little, pull that out, turn, out, lift up. There's the old carburetor. Here's the new carburetor. That looks good. All right, let's do this. Let's see here. This together. Yeah, so I decided not to put the gaskets on there because I'm afraid I might be doing it wrong. I put it on, it seems like I was blocking the fuel channels. Alright. So I put the new carburetor on, tightening my screws now. And I'm doing this because I have to go to work. All right. Now, screwdriver. Get this little hole here, turn it. And just have to work it in there. It'll take a minute. Alright, so I think I found a good way to put this in here. Uh-oh. This is so tricky. Oh, there we go. I'm talking about something. Still learning as I go. Don't claim to be a professional. Just sharing it. All for educational purposes only. To know what not to do. Or how to do it better. Or something. Alright, is that in there? Use the screwdriver. Someone's saying, use that screwdriver. Don't pop the cable. Oh, this is so tedious. Hold on. Trying to line it up. Pause this. Alright, I did it. I had to be off camera for it to go successfully. You know how these things go. Just tighten that just a little wee bit. So everything looks to be in order. Oh, you know what? The grommet set. What am I doing? Put that grommet set in there. So this is the new grommet set. Put it into, take the old one out right there. Pry that off with the screwdriver. Slide the new one in. Yeah, got the old one out. Now let's put the new one in. Just work that in there. Alright, and I went ahead and just changed everything out. Just finished it all off camera. So let's go ahead and, we're going to give this thing a twirl. Close it up. Alright, so that's a go for me. That works for me. Sounds much better than what it did the first time. So I'm back to full throttle again. That's carburetor I got from these people on eBay, FSSPRT Superstore. Is that for Sports Superstore? Give them a look up if you're looking for a carburetor or something. And that concludes the video. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.